Hi everyone, Lori here of Art Lava Studio. I just bought these Liquitex acrylic paint which were on sale because otherwise they're so expensive. And I tried it on my gel plate and I found it that it dries so fast that it peels off the paper. See, that's the first one, and look what happened to this one. Alright, and these are my prints using my own stencils, which I made. Yeah, these are my own stencils. This is from Amsterdam. None of these paper peeling off problems using Amsterdam paint. This is also Amsterdam paint. But with the Liquitex, see this, and it's just, and I'm already trying to lift it as soon as I can, but look. So I'm going to try spraying it with water because I like these colors. They're different from what Amsterdam has. So I'm going to try it with spraying it with a little bit of water to make it so it doesn't dry as quickly as it usually does.